this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So, as you know, I do all sorts of unboxings. I do fashion, jewelry, makeup, lifestyle, you name it, I do it. But to be honest, I have a couple favorites. And I think this is my third or fourth one of this. And it is The Box. And it is by Fashionista. I don't know how to pronounce it. But it's $19.99, I want to say, with shipping. Comes once a month. And it's a beauty box. It's got makeup and skincare. And I just love this box. If I had to decide as of today, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, or this box, I would take the box. So let's get into it. And as always, I will leave a link below if you'd like to order this. And I think it's got like a $5 off discount code if you use my link. So just to throw that out there. So you open it up and it's got the card, and they usually donate to something. So it's the Family Crisis Center. With every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to self-enhance, self-confidence, and self-image. The 1736 Family Crisis Center is a nonprofit organization based in Los Angeles with a mission to help people through crisis. We're happy to announce this partnership and support a cause. So, again, what a great thing. And then the next thing you take out is the card that's got all the goodies. And then there's the box. I don't remember if I looked at spoilers. I've had this for a week or so because I'm behind in doing my unboxing. I think I've seen them, so maybe it will jar when I open it. But it comes with all the little thingies, the little curlies. And the first thing I open is Teamy Vita C Tea Infused Serum, Hibiscus Vitamin C. Very nice box packaging. And apply 1 to 3 pumps to fingertips and gently smooth onto skin, working in small circles. For best results, consistently apply serum both morning and night after cleansing. And a lot of people are like, do I put the oil on and then the moisturizer? You clean, then you can use your toner, then you would use an oil, and then the moisturizer always goes on top of your oil. And let's just see, oh my goodness. I'm not sure if it's pink or that's just what it looks like. I am using a couple now. I have a Tarte one that I'm using in the morning, and then I have, I think it's the Sunday Riley we got in one of our boxes that I use in the evening. So as soon as those are used up, I will definitely give this a try. And this retails for vitamin serum for $45. It's for dry skin, and it's got light, fresh grapefruit scent. You will fall in love with the clean, plant-based, and holistic vitamin C serum for skin. So that's really nice. Love some grapefruit. The next thing is Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. And this is a really nice bottle. And I'm just going to take a little out to see the consistency. Definitely a nice size bottle. Oh, got like a water-based. Oh my God, it smells clean. It's foaming. Yeah, so, and this is 80 ml and it's made in Korea. So you know how I feel about my Korean skincare. And this oil to foam jet cleanser retails for $25, created with lip quenching oil and extracts. This formula is creamy and luxurious, allowing for a smooth glide upon application. So there you go. The next thing in the box, I can't read, is Everyday for Every Boot Natural Rescue Balm, Paw, Acai, and Peppermint for dry bits, paraben free. I'm thinking it's a lip. It's got Paw and Acai. Bathroom camera, everything. Okay. Sorry. I'm confused. Let's look this up. The Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm is $15. Is your ride for dry kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is a petroleum-free balm formulated with papaya antioxidants, rich acai emollient, sunflower seed oil, and soybean germ extract that moisturizes your lips and other body bits. Guess you can call it a friend with many benefits for all skin types. Okay, so I would say for your lips, because I'm not going to put it on any other bits. All right. Ooh. Sigma F89 Bake Kabuki Brush. Can you see that? Oh, I'm so excited to get into it that it's taped like I can't get into it. I don't know if you can see it, but nice packaging, but it's well wrapped, so I am not going to open it. I'll destroy it off camera. And our little Kabuki brush, F89 Bake Kabuki Brush, $25. Keep your look perfect with the Sigmax fiber brush designed to pick up and press on setting powder. The angle gets close to contours. It is recommended to use this foundation face brush with powder products. Perfect for a full coverage. So, yeah, this is definitely a nice brush. So I've opened 4 items so far, loving all 4. The bit thing kind of threw me off the track there. Then we have Girl Track Matte Lip Paint Duo. This is exciting. Wow. Excuse me. So we've got this darker side and the lighter side. It's a really nice smooth case. And there is that color. I'm not gonna put it on. I have my, I'm itchy. I have my, blah, 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 what is it? Henry and Frank or whatever. I have on that lipstick and I'm kind of liking it. And then there's that side. So this is really neat. Loving the colors. And the long-lasting matte lip paint liquid lipstick duo is $26. The first original double-ended matte lip paint, a color-rich creamy formula that's weightless on the lips. So I'm excited to try that. And we have one more. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And you see why this is becoming my favorite? And the palette, the Leo Pardina. It's got 12 eyeshadows and 4 highlighters. What a great palette. Comes out, it's the same. Wait, wow. Cover up the mirror. And there is the palette. So you've got your highlighters, and thinking you can use them as blushes, and then the eye colors. The bottom row probably isn't something I'd reach for, but I kind of like the colors on the top rows. So you've got the 4 illuminators. So I don't know if you can use them as a blush depending on your skin tone, but I really think they're pretty colors. Wow. What did you think of that box? If you don't get this box, you definitely need to try it at least once. And especially with the issues with BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Again, I think this is my 3rd or 4th box, and I love them all. So the eye palette is $21.50, featuring a combination of 4 highlighters and 12 shadows. This palette will be sure to bring out your inner feline. Each carefully selected shade can easily be complemented. Shadows are a combination of mattes and shimmers, which allow you to bring any look up to notch. And this box that I paid a little under $20 for retails for $157.50. So I think it's great. It's got Becca products, Sigma, they have Smashbox, they put in OPI. So they have top of the line products in their boxes. So please leave me comments. Let me know what your favorite product was. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.